Ooh, welcome in, welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see this? This is a Jeep, a Liberty, 2011. I want to say. Now, all I want, guys, I don't even want to hold a whole video on this. It's a 4x4. None of that matters as far as the topic I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is this. All right, y'all, take a look at this. Okay. This key set has two remotes on it, right? Okay. One's for an aftermarket alarm, and one's a key fob, meaning the remotes or the security features are controlled by this key as well. In other words, the car now has two alarm system on it. Now, mind you, it was a factory alarm system on it. And what I mean by alarm is the typical alarm protocols. You know, if you lock the door, if you use the lock button, the alarm will automatically activate. Just say you're getting out of the car to go into the store. You click lock. The alarm will initialize, activate. Okay, so I got it locked now. So hypothetically, look, let's simulate a break-in. All right, just say they use a Slim Jim to slim that out. Now I got the alarm activated with the factory alarm, right? If you open this door, guess what happened? Okay, so they got the aftermarket alarm tied in with the factory alarm. Okay, now mind you, this car is equipped. Y'all hear that? So now they both going off. That's the factory alarm. If you open the door, that should come on. That's all. My thing is, see, this thing is so weird. My thing is, people, why are we wasting money on additional alarms? There's no more protection from this style alarm than it is the factory alarm. You know what kills me? The guys that install these alarms, they know the car has a factory alarm built in. Right? This is built in. Like, this is not an option. This is standard equipped. Okay, security skill module. There's a theft system on this vehicle that will allow you not to start the car in the event you have the wrong key. And the key fob is for you to lock and unlock the doors keyless. Look at that. That alarm keep going off. Not only that, these are always sensitive. Look at that. Just for no reason. I don't know. That just always bothered me why people would... Will you shut up? Why people would get... It's crazy. You can't shut it off with this, so you got to have this. So hypothetically, if this remote go out, you're screwed because you're not going to be able to... I wonder, can you start the car in the event that the alarm has been activated? Let's see. The aftermarket alarm going off now. Can you start the car? Yes. And it's running. It doesn't even disable the ignition. So what good is it? A thief can put up with a little noise. All he needs is a minute. Once he get in and program a key and start it, he can drive off with that blowing. This is crazy. Now, as opposed to the factory alarm, if the factory alarm going off and you stick a key in here that's not programmed, or even a key that's programmed, it's gonna shut off on its own. But that's not the... I don't get it, man. Like, why this if it's already factory equipped? To me, it was just a waste of money. Now, I would never put an individual on display with this. That's why I don't want you to see the car or the owner. But it's just something that bothers me. Like, why? Look at that. Is that an arming? Now, let me arm it from factory standpoint. And close the door. I just locked the door, so it should be arming. Because they got it tied in. When I open this door, the aftermarket warrant alarm gonna sound. All right, I'm simulating theft. I just broke in. Let me open the door and see what happened. Yeah, that ain't even loud. I mean, the horns are louder than this. I don't know. Let me get off that topic before I offend somebody. That's just crazy, man. But and it's always hard. It's always super sensitive too. Like, shut up already. If the key is on, that means that the owner has showed up, right? Because technically the thief wouldn't have a cut key. And this is a module, a skin module in here. So if it detects goes to this, then it will allow starting, okay? It will always allow cranking. You only get 3 cranks if it's wrong. You're going to go into theft mode if they not matching each other. All right, but if they matching each other and you stick it in and turn the key, that means you're the owner or you just gain access to the correct key. So why would the alarm still be going off? Man, I'm wasting time, guys. I'm beating a dead horse. Just something on my mind, guys. I had to get that off my chest. We'll talk about something else, guys. Stay tuned.